Alright, so hello everyone, my name is Limadinata and I will be presenting to you about Saha-run, a game that is developed for SWA305 Game Development and Design. And let's begin with the presentation. Alright, so what Saha-run is. So Saha-run is a 2D platformer game developed to help people learn and familiarize themselves with keyboard control. As I've seen in the past and in my personal experience, there are many people who are not very dexter with the usage of keyboard. So the aim for creating this game is to help those people learn and familiarize themselves with how they can control the keyboard, such as doing precision timing with the keys, as well as controlling the movement of the player using their fingers. And not just to aid people with their motor skills, Saha-run is a fun game to play, and it is even fun for people to challenge their finger dexterity with the challenges that we have presented in the game. So the tools that we used in the development of Saha-run is as follows. The first and foremost, and the most important one, is Unity, which is the game engine that Saha-run is built on top of. The next software we use is Adobe Photoshop. It is used for sprite creation and color correction of the assets that we use inside the game. We also use Adobe Audition, which is an audio auditing software, which is used to edit the audio, of course, and to remaster the background music used in the game. And finally, we have Visual Studio Code, which is the primary code editor for the development of this game. Alright, so now let's begin our short demo of the game. Alright, so as you start the game, you will be greeted with this main menu, and there are several options here. You can start the game, it will take you to the level selector, you can check your high score, you can check the instructions of the game, and you can also quit the game from the main menu. So let us start off with the high score menu. Right, so here you can see the high score menu. You can see the high scores for each level that you have recorded in each game, and you can also reset your high score. So since we already have a record here, let's try to reset and see that all the records are now gone. So now we can try to set a new record. We can go back to the main menu and we can check the instructions before we play. The keys are A and D. Horizontal keys to move. There is only horizontal movements. Vertical movement is only falling down and jumping, which is doable using the spacebar key. And you can open and close the pause menu using the escape key. And don't forget that you can use the shift key to sprint. So now let's begin our adventure with level 1. So as I've demonstrated, once you've clicked the start game button, you will be taken into the level selector, and now we have 3 selections to make. We can choose level 1, level 2 and level 3. Let's try working on level 1. Right, so as soon as you begin the game, you will be able to see a tip on the right hand side. As you can see previously, it will be marked red, and so yeah, it will disappear within 5 seconds, and the player shouldn't need to click anything for it to disappear. So now let's just focus on the game and finish the game. Collect as many coins as we can do with as little time as we could take. So now we have completed level 1. There we go, we have created a new high score. We collected all 20 available coins with 26 seconds left. And let's see again. So as you can see here, this is the tip that I was talking about. And it appears whenever you start the game. And I will demonstrate to you the pause menu. As you can see here, it says that the game is paused, and you can see the level information here. 45 coins collectible in level 2, and this level takes 2 minutes to complete, or we can say that the time limit is 2 minutes, and there's currently no high score for this level. And that's enough for our short demonstration. I do not want to spoil anything else from the game. I want you to explore and enjoy the game by yourselves. So thank you for watching the presentation. I hope this is very useful for you. Thank you very much.